Put these in your ears.
Yes, elf ears.
Halloween coming up.
Elf ears.
There you go.
Today we are making a tequila infusion that I've made for a long time.
It's really good.
And it's really simple. It's just a pineapple and jalapeno infused tequila. This will change your life. Literally everybody that we make this for
loves it. Loves it. It's a winner.
They literally want to move in. We have 15 people living here with us because of this. Not really.
That's not true.
But it's really simple and quick to come together. Just jalapenos, pineapple, tequila. And the one thing that you want to do when you are figuring out if your pineapple is ripe is you smell its butt, kind of like a dog. And it smells like pineapple.
It's ready.
Yeah. So, little trick that we learned from a produce guy at the grocery store. So,
also after infusing, don't eat the pineapple.
Yeah, it's yucky.
We tried that once.
Yeah, bad. Yeah,
bad. Do not make recipes with the infused fruit post infusing.
Nope. Just get rid of it.
Just get rid of it. Anyway, but we're going to start with making this tequila sweet and spicy.
Yes. Let's get going, sister.
All right.
So the first thing we want to do is get our pineapple peeled. When you're taking the peel off, don't worry about getting all of those little brown spots off. We're going to macerate this and it's going to infuse in the tequila. So it really doesn't matter. So once you've got the peel off, go ahead and get it all chopped up into small bite-sized pieces and then set that aside. Next, we're going to get our jalapenos ready to go. I like to de-seed the jalapenos because I think that the peppers themselves offer enough heat without the seeds. So I'm just going to cut these in half, get them de-seeded, and then do a rough chop. So for this recipe, because I'm going to be using this for a cocktail, for a margarita cocktail, I'm actually going to do 2 jalapenos, as you'll see. But if I was only going to be making this tequila to sip, then I would just use 1. 1 is going to offer plenty of heat if you're just sipping it, but for the cocktail, I think 2 is a better way to go, so the heat kind of from the pepper stands out with the rest of the ingredients in the margarita. So with everything chopped up and ready to go, we're just going to get our pineapple into the glass jar, grab your muddler, and just kind of muddle the pineapple to release some of the juices. If you don't have a cocktail muddler, go ahead and grab a wooden spoon. And once that's all done, get your jalapeno into the jar. And next, we're just going to add in our tequila, give it a good stir, and right into the fridge it goes for about 5 to 6 days. So it's been 5 days and we are ready to strain off our tequila. So just grab a strainer and a large bowl, pour everything into the strainer, and then just kind of use a wooden spoon to mix it all around so most of the tequila gets out of the fruit. Whatever you do, do not be tempted to taste any of that fruit. It is absolutely horrible tasting after sitting in the tequila. And then once that's done, just pour it into your bottle and you are good to go. You are done. Keep it in the fridge and it should last for probably a few weeks, but I have a feeling it's probably not going to last that long.
We have tequila. And what kind of tequila do we have?
Jalapeno pineapple infused. Pineapple jalapeno. I said it backwards.
Yes.
Backwards.
Yes, we do.
But I'm guessing the jalapeno is going to be forward, given that you used 2.
Yes.
Instead of 1 last time.
Cheers.
Ooh, I can smell the jalapeno. Ooh.
What do you think?
It's good. It's really smooth.
Yeah.
Really smooth, but I feel like it's going to build.
Yes. So, truth be told,
we always tell you.
No, we do.
We do.
I will do 2 iterations of this. So this has 1 pineapple, 2 jalapenos, a 5th of tequila. This is what I would use if we were going to make a margarita with it, which we are.
I was like, which we're going to do.
We're going to I have a pineapple margarita recipe. I know, shocker. So we will use this because I want a little bit more spiciness, because that spiciness is going to be kind of balanced and tempered with all of the other ingredients.
Yeah. You
could totally use one jalapeno with your pineapple, and this could be a total sipper.
Yeah.
You wouldn't even need to mix it. You just put this in a glass over a rock, and there's the jalapeno.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, one jalapeno in your infusion, and it's a sipper.
Yeah.
So
let's make a margarita.
Punch you in the stomach.
Yeah, it will give me a little tickle in my throat. So it's good though. It's very good. It's very smooth.
And again, 3 ingredients: a bottle of good tequila, 100% agave, a pineapple, and a jalapeno, and 5 days.
Yeah, but it doesn't take long.
And then just store it in the fridge because it has some fresh
ingredients.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
So
easy.
Super yummy. Super, super, super. Jules, that's for you. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you're enjoying our kind of Friday night cocktail series. If you haven't gathered, Katie and I love all things
in the kitchen.
Food and drink in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And we hope you do as well. So
be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And a cocktail on Friday.
That's right.
Bye.